It's been about 7 or 8 months since I re-seasoned this Blackstone, so I wanted to redo it again to get us through the rest of the year. Stick around so I can tell you what I did wrong when I did it the first time and how I improved on it this time. I love my Blackstone 17-inch griddle, and we decided that for 2025 it would be our main cooking stove for camping. So when I first seasoned it up, I used olive oil. Little did I know that that would cause a big stir in the online community, and I got called out on how stupid I was for using olive oil. But I do not cook this thing at full temperature all the time, so olive oil seemed to work for me. However, it does break down a little quicker, and so I converted over to avocado oil. Now I scrubbed this thing with a wire brush, SOS pad, Dawn hot water repeatedly until I got it as bare as I could. And then I used avocado oil, continue to clean up the dust and the corners and edges while it was heating up. I used a little bit extra olive oil to make sure that I would have some to continue cleaning out the crevices while it was starting to season. After a while, once I was satisfied with how clean it was, I just sprayed the avocado oil on there and let it burn down. And now it's seasoned up and ready to go for our next camping trip. Let us know down in the comments, what do you use to cook on when you go camping? Are you a grill person? Do you use a backpacking stove? Or do you use a Blackstone or something similar? We would love to know what you were cooking with while you were out there, so please share it below. Also, we would love it if you would consider subscribing to the channel, perhaps liking this video, or even sharing it with your friends. We look forward to seeing you on the next one.